Hey friends, what's up? So today I'm going to be filming how to get ready in 17 minutes or less. It's probably going to be 17 minutes exactly. My really good friend from college and also my roommate last year, Kristina, requested this video of me. She said, she just said that I should do it. That's all. In college and even still now, I tend to do this thing where my friends will see me in gym clothes and then 15 minutes later I'll appear looking like I'm ready to go out. And they're always confused. The biggest thing is to mentally prepare. I don't know why I'm laughing, I just think it's so funny because this doesn't seem like that big of a deal to me because I do it all the time. I honestly hate getting ready, I hate doing my makeup, so I push it off until the last 3 minutes I possibly have and then get ready in like this fast. I'm gonna talk about the mindset. So overall, whenever you're getting ready really quickly, you have to prepare. I'm laying in bed because I'm lazy and don't want to get ready into the last possible second. Great idea, Lucy. I plan out what I'm gonna wear in my head and then I stick to it. Like, you have to just think about it and then make the decision and not F around with it. If you don't do that, then that's like such a wasted like 5-10 minutes just like putting things on and taking them off and putting them on and taking them off. I actually don't know what I'm gonna wear today since I'm not like technically on a super tight schedule. Actually, yeah, I kind of have to leave in like 12 minutes. Basically what I do is I'll come in, go in my closet, pick out the outfit, lay it out. If I have to shower, I will body shower. Guys, dry shampoo is your best friend. My hair's actually getting itchy because it's dirty.
That's gross, I'm so sorry.
Anyway, it's already had curls in it, so I pinned it up. First, I took all my makeup off from work and I'm gonna redo it because I hate the way old makeup looks. The other thing you have to remember is when you're doing your makeup is to keep it simple. And then hair, quickly fix it. The key is work with what you have. If you have wavy hair, add a little water and beach wave it. If you have straight hair and it's like a little, has some kinks in it, straighten those out. If you have curly hair, curl it up.
Sometimes it's just a high pony day.
Don't get it wet. Getting it wet is like your 15 minutes are already gone. I'm putting on the timer. I'm gonna set it. Oh, there's a 17. Can you guys see? Oh, 17 minutes. Okay, Kristina. 17 minutes. I'm doing 17 minutes. Here we go. My toilet paper already fell. Cheekbones. It's the best I've ever done. All right, fixing the curls now, guys. So see, I got some curls. I'm gonna pull it up a little, just like to clean up the bottom curls. So, I just did what I said not to do, and I totally couldn't figure out what to wear. Anyway, this is about to ring. It's been 17 minutes, and I have to go get dinner, and I'm late because I'm always late. So I've been laying in bed editing, and I realized that I did the 17 minutes video and didn't really talk about who I was or what I'm like about. For anyone who is wondering and stumbled across this video because you really want to know how to get ready in 17 minutes, my name is Lucy Alexander, also known as the Young Professional. I talk about what it's like to be a young professional woman in the world, or a young professional person. I'm not gonna be binary about that shit. So if you found your way here, thank you for being you. I'm gonna finish editing these videos, but I wanted to just, you know, throw that in there. If you think this is a good video, like it, comment, subscribe to me. Let me know what you want to see next. Yeah, that's pretty much the short and short of it.